7 bizarre space facts that sound fake, but are 100% true. A day on Venus is longer than its year. And that's not even the weirdest thing in space. Here are 7 facts so bizarre, you'll swear NASA is trolling us. Fact number 3 will shock you. Let's start fact number 1, Venus spins backward. Earth's evil twin takes 243 days to rotate once, but orbits the Sun in 225 days. So yes, a day there is longer than a year. Do you want to live in Venus? Fact number 2, there's a planet made of diamond. Meet 55 Cancri E, a super-Earth with a crust of graphite and a core of pure diamond. Worth $26.90 nonillion, but good luck mining it. Fact number 3, you can't cry in space. Tears don't fall, they just blob up on your face. Thanks, zero gravity. Fact number 4, the moon is drifting away. It's escaping at 3.8 centimeters per year. Today's moon versus prehistoric moon. Dinosaurs saw it 15% bigger. Fact number 5, space smells like burnt steak. Astronauts say it's a mix of gunpowder and barbecue. Scientists blame dying stars. Fact number 6, the sun's core is 15 million degrees Celsius. But its corona, the outer layer, is 200 times hotter. Even NASA can't fully explain it. Fact number 7, there's a giant void 1 billion light-years wide. The Boötes void has almost no galaxies. Aliens? Glitch in the Matrix? You decide. Which fact blows your brain the most? Comment 1 to 7 below. And if you haven't lost sleep over space yet, smash subscribe. The universe is weirder than we think.